Hello there everyone, this is your friend Jake, and then in this tutorial video we will answer another requested machine problem by one of our subscriber in C++ programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you very much to all my subscribers in my channel. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button, click the notification bell, select all, so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video, and don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's get started. Machine problem in C++. Create a program that will print your name, in this example Jake, with a delay of 1 second. Color should be alternate: blue, red, green, and yellow, using div C++. Div C++ is one of the most popular integrated development environment in writing C and C++ programs. Personally, I'm using div C++ for more than 12 years already, in my classes, in my projects. So here, color blue represent by numerical value of 1, red is 4, green is 2, and then lastly yellow is 6. Okay, so let us go with the code. So we have here the title of our program here. In this case, I just name it demo.cpp or C++, created by yours truly, Jake Rodriguez Pomperada, Maed IT, MIT. And then I have two websites which gives you an opportunity to copy and download the code.
Kindly close your... Can you mute yourself?
So we have here my two websites. The first one is jakerpomperada.blogspot.com, and then the other one is jakerpomperada.com. And then currently I'm accepting computer programming jobs. You can email me at jakerpomperada@gmail.com. And then we have here, my address is Bacolod City, Negros Occidental, Philippines. So we have here three library files. The sharp include IOStream and sharp include windows.h and then conio.h. So using namespace td main, it is the starting point of any C++ program. We have to declare this command just once. Handle color gets steady handle out, steady underscore output underscore handle just once. And then we have here text color and sleep in div C++. While key be hit, this function belongs here, the conio.h. Press any key, and then we have here new console out blank, console text attribute color 1 is, we have blue, 4 for a letter A, 4 is red, K for green 2, and then E for 6. Okay, return, and then we close our while loop statement here. Okay, so let us execute the program, compile and run. Okay, so for 1 second, the equivalent is 1 second is 1000 in our sleep. So it will continue execution the program, and then when we press enter key, any key here, it will stop. Okay, so it stopped. So this is the end of our tutorial video on text color and sleep command and div C++. I hope that you learned something new in our short tutorial video. I will put a link in the description below where you can download the complete source code for free. See you in the next video tutorial guys. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel by clicking the subscribe buttons. Until then, this is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.